Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chris, and today's video is a little bit like last week's video. If you saw it, it's an older video that I just never got around to edit and post. I have a little archive of these videos, and for whatever reason, I just never got around to post them for you guys. But I thought it'd be fun to kind of revisit them and see if there's anything in there that would be fun and interesting to watch. So I found a couple, and this particular one was filmed back in August of 2017. So it's been a while. And if you're new to the channel, you might not know who John is. But if you're a longtime viewer of the channel, of course you know who John is. John used to be the face of the channel. And around the time that we filmed this video is around the time that he stopped making videos with me. So that might be the reason why I never got around to edit this particular one. But I think it's a fun video, and I don't edit this in the traditional sense that I normally used to edit my recipe videos because I wanted to leave a lot of the behind the scenes and some of the bloopers in there so you could kind of get a feel for how we used to make videos together. So also, if you guys have already seen the title of the video, it's called Summer Soba Noodles. And what better day to post this than the very last day of summer, because tomorrow we welcome fall. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, hey guys. I bet you're here for another recipe. Well, I got a couple tricks up my sleeve. Cooking with the vegan zombie. Woo! It is hot out there. And I'll tell you what, there's nothing I love more than a nice cooling dish on a hot summer day like today. So, I'm gonna show you how to make what I like to call summer soba noodles. For those of you who aren't familiar, soba noodle is a pasta made out of buckwheat. It's a Japanese style noodle, and you only have to boil them for about 4 minutes. So come on over, let's get it started. I want to do something, I don't know if this is gonna be loud, but I'll be like, start timer for 4 minutes. It'll be funny, because my phone's in here. Pour the nudes in, stir it for a second, count to 60 4 times, and then walk away. What am I saying?
Well, you said count to 64 times and walk away.
Well, that's fine. Okay. And then when this is done, I'll be like, then you gotta come right back because you don't need to record yet. Once this beeps. Now after you walk away, you gotta come right back because these nudes are ready to go.
Okay, now get a different angle. I'll come over here.
You have to be very careful not to burn your hands right off your body. So strain the noodles. And now, you don't want these to keep cooking, so you're gonna pour them into an ice bath. Let them cool right down. Oh, feels like brains. I don't know what brains feel like, or do I? Ha!
Did you really burn yourself?
There's boiling water in my sink, and I tried to unplug it with my hand.
Jeez.
I deserve it.
So what are we doing now?
Now I'm just gonna take these out of the water and let them sit.
Now just say something like, I've been having some zombie problems in the backyard lately or something.
Okay. I've been having a little zombie problem in the backyard lately. Now we can go back over here. This is where we're gonna be hanging out now.
Give me a clap. Oh, snap, crackle, pop.
So I have a cast iron skillet now at a medium-high heat with some refined coconut oil, like I always do. And I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of chopped shallots. Shallot is basically a fancy onion, a funyun, if you will. I'll stir this for about 2-3 minutes. Next, I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium-low because I'm going to add some fresh ginger and fresh garlic, both of them minced. About 2 tablespoons of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Toss those into the party. Yay! Stir it for about 1 minute. Next, it's been 1 minute, just so you know. I've got 1 head of broccoli cut up into little cute little florets like that. I'm gonna add that, as well as a 1/2 cup of chopped zucchini and a 1/2 cup of chopped yellow squash. Pre-chopped for my convenience.
Let me get you saying it, and then I'm gonna get another angle of you pouring it in.
Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Now, when you're shopping for hoisin sauce, make sure it's vegan. Read those ingredients real closely. Pour that in. And we're also gonna add 1/2 cup of veggie stock to the party.
That looked cool.
Turn the heat back up to medium-high, and we're gonna add some salt and pepper.
You wanna say about how much?
1.5 teaspoons or salt to taste, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. That's really it for seasoning. I mean, I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh herbs in at the end with some lemon zest, but just a little salt and pepper goes a long way sometimes.
Wait, what made you just sneeze? Because I'm about to sneeze too.
I don't know, something in here.
Right.
Me too, I got another one coming on. 5 minutes of us sneezing.
Okay, we're ready?
Ready?
Yeah, one more. No.
We're almost done cooking here. I'm just gonna add the juice of 2 Meyer lemons. I like Meyer lemons. They're a little bit sweeter than your tradish lemon. A lot of seeds in there, so just be careful if you're using that. And little tip, if you're ever gonna zest your lemons to finish your dish, make sure you're using organic lemons so there's not any weird pesticides. We're gonna turn the heat off and stir it one more time. Then we're gonna add our cold soba noodles. We're gonna top it off with some scallions, some fresh chopped parsley, and the zest of 1 lemon. Now you just gotta toss it with your tongs. Mix it all together. And this dish, honestly, is better if you make it the night before and let it just sit in the fridge and let all those flavors marry for the next evening. Because like revenge, this is a dish best served cold. I fucking hate myself.
Those are the best lines, man.
Those are the lines. Every time I say shit like that, Corey just rolls his eyes. I can to hear it over here. It's funny because it's true.
You know me, Laura.
Oh, it smells yummy. It's all cooled off, ready to go. A little bit of parsley for that garnish. Ooh, yeah. Sometimes you work a long day or you're fighting zombies and it's really hot out and you're not super hungry, but you want something delicious and filling enough to get you through the night. This is that dish.
Wait, maybe if you hold it up to your face, I can get all of it together.
I'm gonna get a fork.
Do you want to say the old taste test?
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh.
The old...
The old taste test. Mmm, yummy. A lot of flavor. That lemon juice really kind of brightens everything up again. And it's just a really nice... Alright.
Oh, now somebody's mowing their lawn. Yeah, some people still mow their lawn in the zombie park.
Hey, Bill! I love how the lemon juice kind of brightens it up at the end, and it's a really nice, light, feel-good meal where you're not just falling asleep on the couch after fighting zombies all day. You know, it's really yummy. So you guys should definitely check this out. Really easy to make. Took me about 15 minutes from start to finish. And, you know, I'm just gonna eat this whole thing right here in front of you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Simple, delicious. It's not gonna turn you into a zombie. And don't forget to subscribe and survive. See you guys later.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you'd like me to reach back into that archive and pull out some of those old videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you're wondering what John's been up to currently and you don't already follow him, he's got his own YouTube channel called The Vegan Homestead. And I'll go ahead and I'll link that below too. But other than that, I've really got nothing else, so I'll see you guys next time.